Hi, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality pro video for the main board for Ssmsung 65KS800DFXZA. The TV was totally dead, and for someone else who finds that video while working for the same thing, this fuse was blown. There is actually a number of fuses here that are working in parallel, and there was damage to the board, so we had to operate on that, merely replacing the fuse. It's not going to fix the problem, but we had to operate on the board, and we are done. And here it is, backlight you can see here, and this is what we have for the TV itself. Check the connection out of the TV. So this is what that is. Again, it was totally dead before, and it is working now. So that is all. We're going to be testing it with the HDMI as well, and we may make a video if that needs to be shown, but the problem was here on the board. It wasn't on the outside device. Those two should move together because we have had cases, I believe we've done a video for a similar model where I was discussing why are they doing those fuses in parallel. It was slightly different model and board, JKKS, I don't remember what it was, but there's another video, and I was showing the Ssmsung One, what was it called, device, that it was actually causing the failure. So when this is shorted, it may cause overloading again, fuse blow, etc., etc. This was not the case here, so should be good. We'll be sending the board back. That's all. Thank you.